Hey yo, what's up, rockers? Welcome to Populist Chats, hosted by Caillou Michelson and Sean Crackle. Do check it out every Monday at 6 p.m.
Shapu Z, it's your boy Caillou Michelson, the host that does the most, aka Daddy Yone, aka
Caillou Michelson, that's Mufasa.
And we back with another episode 2 of season 2 in 2026. And I'm in there.
Yes, sir. It's your boy Sean Crackle, the vlogger of the vloggers. Thank God we're back, man.
Yeah, man. Thank God.
Thank
New
God
season,
we're back,
new faces. Asambi Soto. On my side, I have Sam, come and tell him about bad.
Tuna. So this is Sam, content creator, HIV activist, as well as a radio personality.
Clock
Clock it, Sam. Clock it, Sam. Wena Putung man.
Libhele
Hey.
udlavula uqunda umafu isinto qha qobo
Lapha.
Sisizwe,
Nkosi. But excited izimba njalo namhlanje.
Welcome.
I'm feeling good.
Yeah,
I'm
first
excited.
of all, welcome.
Thank you so
welcome.
much for
Damn.
the warm welcome.
See it.
Yeah, I'm excited, ready to tackle now what we're going to
Wamkele
be talking
kithi.
about.
Siphole some njengesilonda. Unjani impela namhlanje?
qabaqaba lobomi I'm good dog man, I'm good dog.
Yeah.
Like bulela bras, bulela.
Yeah,
Like,
also welcome back in Cape Town. I saw you were away on your trip.
You were on the speedos.
yiwe ngase ngaboy bras.
Ne?
Yiwe ngase ngaboy.
Ngoba kuthe like what's fun there, bro?
I feel like bra PCM it's in the Eastern Cape.
Yeah.
Like Cape Town khulele Kapa bras, Kapa
yeah,
like
I feel
yazi. Xa ngisekhaya yo kumandi bra. Kumandi ungahlambi bras.
Yeah.
Viki yonke.
Wedwa.
Hlambile namhlanje.
Namhlanje lozi.
Usiqalile
Yeah, no, Cape Town.
fresh.
Vibe eseKapa but like
Sure.
like you ngase ngaboy bras. No
Ah,
lies.
welcome back, my dog.
I
Welcome
feel
back.
you.
When I say how was it Eastern Cape, buye wayo kanye bula
No,
time.
kangendiye. Oh, I need to work. Diego
Yeah.
Msebenzi, so content creation, so I had to hustle throughout to December.
hustle.
So I was busy trying to hustle and doing gigs and all of that. But I feel like when I can relate, Eastern Cape does come with a sense of peace.
Yeah, it's
Most
beautiful,
definitely.
And azo.
Ubuyile isitenge lo December, ne? Ubuya kutsika nene.
Benojutiki.
Yeah.
But also now I'd just like to formally apologize to your rockers about the last episode, yabo. With you Max is busy two cases in cars seven zakak.
And
It's
also
a new
the quality.
studio, yabo, so we're still trying to, get comfortable with it, yabo. And shout out to District Studios for hosting us here with the beautiful studio. Yeah, bro. How do you feel about the Lanuki episode last week?
It was like conversations were flowing, but it's just the quality, man. It's like a new type of quality. Even his sounds were just malfunctioning multiple times. But episode and in terms of the context, it was proper.
Yo, but for me, I felt like bone. Like bona ni ogqibela kudala
Yeah, uthetha on
bona urape isekile but now ngoba kuse
Manu
yeah,
balance.
muscle memory yabo. So I'm like yabo, today I feel more comfortable yabo, and more alive. Yabo. Did you watch the episode?
I did, actually.
What was it taking? I gave you like one.
Obviously, besides of his sound, but I think it was quite interesting just to get the perspectives.
Sure.
You understand? And then I think I also got you, friendship, and all of that. So,
So
yeah, but I just more of like the maturity that you have.
Sure.
Obviously, I don't know about Nangapi, but it just also comes with a sense of
23.
maturity as well. But yeah, it was a good episode. But we're about to let it up today.
Today is like a different mood. Sometimes a different mood. It's switching it up.
Dog, like like bros yazonibukela ngiqomvezi make ingathi izimake engahlali nazo. It's always amazing. Like it's always amazing. Oh dog, like yabo.
Now you're here.
Now yabo nam
you're
laugh.
part of it.
You're
God
part
is
of like
good,
yabo
man.
nesikile, but like watching you guys is always amazing, dog. Like kuza wona manje like it's dope and
appreciate
ero cars nazo bonile kwa numbers ba okay you watch ngabantu iqebele kudala.
Yo, like I say, I was like, and a lot of people
And it's
actually
skyrocketed.
missed it, yeah, bro. Because I was actually like, born surprised, born about. Not surprised completely, but I was like, the turnout I didn't expect it to be.
Away.
What I
Same, bro.
thought.
Comments
Because-
like that slow, like getting like reintroduce ourselves to them.
And for that, it was like, say, I think we're sitting on like 17K, if not 18K
That's good.
views for the first episode this
20K,
year.
bro.
20K now.
20K.
Damn, we lit like that. So let's take this one to 25
Yeah.
Only I could pay
or 100.
100.
Also, since like this is your first time on the podcast, I like want us to talk about first time experiences in general.
Away.
Maybe
And it's the New Year food.
Yeah, and also it's like a new year, so it's like new me. I'm a virgin again. Type shit like
Yeah,
that.
I'm a virgin
You
again.
understand? So like, did you guys have any memorable first time sex experience?
I'm not sure which one you want to.
Sonke namxolele.
Yeah, say Jessica.
Most of the people, Baba, like this is a new me. They're like starting over their body count. So I just want to know like the first time.
Listen, we are back to zero. It's a new year.
Back to zero.
But speaking about the first
hope not to,
experiences, I'm not sure if you guys want to hear because I've got
Nah.
a lot.
The
Spill
floor
the
is
beans,
yours.
There's a girl
man.
experience and then there's a guy experience.
That's dope.
Tell us more.
Palaza, that's
So
dope.
it's quite a story. I'm just gonna quickly briefly tell you guys because obviously before I came out of closet, I dated girls because what society expected me to
Yeah,
be. So
exactly,
ndajola
yeah.
nama-cherry because kaloku ndihamba nabafana.
Sure,
So
okay,
and then ke ngoku xa ukhulele elokishini if you awuna-cherry and then automatically you're gonna be
Igagayo.
labeled as
Awuna-aura,
mana
yeah.
oh hayi uyimofi and all of that.
sure.
So I did have my first experience. With a girl, but I think with a guy, yes, that's where I belong. But ke obviously, xa ukhulele mhlambi, we are Africans, ngabantu abamnyama, we don't talk much about sex.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
just go as it is.
It's like a forbidden thing.
You understand that you just asifundiswe emakhaya ba okay xa ukufike ke-age ethile this is how you put a condom and all of that but you just go as it is but yeah it was quite interesting because I got to experience both.
Damn.
And okay, it's fine.
Thetha,
No, it's fine. Okay, benza buza like did you prefer a girl or umshit?
Yeah, because I mean, like I said, yeah, like, okay. So, when, at what point in time when you realize, like, say, I'm not into girls anymore?
I feel like I've always been queer.
But it's just a matter of your society.
It's just about how kaloku ukhula umnyama I'm a first born ekhaya.
Yeah.
And then automatically abazali ba expect bafuna umfazi bafuna abantwana and all of that because indlela esikhuliswa ngayo leyo especially
Yeah,
xa uyi
like
first
a
born
family.
ndiphinde futhi born a male so the expectations are there but ke ngoku bekufuneka ndizifihlile
Sure.
up
Okay.
a certain time because I like man andifuni you understand but ke ngoku bendisoyika because ndingumntana but I was like okay let me just go to initiation school do what I need to do and then come back and then finish my matric and then after that I was like man guys I'm done pretending this is who I am.
So initiation school ekuncedileyo uba uphume.
Not by incedile ndiphume but obviously I had to go through it.
Oh, yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I'm not regretting it because I got to learn a lot about myself. But ke ngoku I was just waiting for the right time for myself.
Sure.
And that was bana ndigqiba grade 12 wam and go go
Further.
to initiation school come back and then so that I can no because kaloku siphile South Africa we can't ignore that. Singabantu abamnyama we
Yeah,
can't
it's our
ignore that.
culture, man.
So ungagxothwa kokwenu okanye kuthiweni because there's other people queer people that are experiencing that. So bendifuna ukuthi ndigxothwa ndiyazi at least nayo 10 I'm gonna go figure a life out. Yabo.
No,
And
I
then,
feel you.
Gengoku, how did the family accept it, Gengo, that you were a queer person?
It was not easy because obviously I'm transforming from umuntu abebemqhelile bama namajita to being like okay ngonza ngibo bum shot
Fucking nails.
no nails as I grew up and figuring out myself
August
that-
Bain.
that's when yes
Okay.
but again it was a very difficult topic to discuss because my mom and I we didn't speak for quite some time and then my dad wayevestratweni uthiwa ndibona engcamisana nabafana so it was difficult but they're very supportive.
Shout out to your parents, man. When
Shout
I
out
wonder,
to parents.
how was your first time experience?
I was good.
Can look like in detail, like
Yeah, but it's a smell.
I mean, it was because, it was like at the time, it crush that I had, yeah, boy.
Awe.
And
So I was
and
like,
ubona ngaphi?
huh?
Ubona ngaphi?
I mean, we can't disclose those.
Zibalulekile no sifuna zona zibalulekile. Kwenze ba other people that are in your age can know, okay, sure.
My age.
Yeah, like go.
I think I was in grade 9. Like when I had my first experience.
Somdala.
Yeah. Waqala ngikane.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Put it papa bla brazi bla.
Johnny.
Wow, somdala.
I mean, anyway, like my dad is a priest, yabo.
Awe.
So
PK.
yeah, I'm a PK, yabo. Mama mfundisi. So I was just umuntu ohlala endlini, phume ngoye esikolweni. Then up until I got to grade 9, that's when I started to experience a lot of things.
So musho high school.
Thini?
Musho high school.
Ngimoshula igapa. Tandi ba yabo. So yeah, that was that, and then yeah, man, I had a good experience. But I for sure, yeah, it was not good.
Awe.
Danga ba say fakwa phi yabo. But yabo ngoxa inobuya ngoku. Come on.
Yeah, experienced now.
Oh, baby dada. Ibizana yakho phela.
Yo, braz, go. I think that is selfish, braz, man.
Chano.
Eqaleni it was more about me, yabo. Being me, like girl, yeah.
So you're just doing so that when you can be
Mna
able
yabona,
to be
yeah,
satisfied
yeah.
after
So-
the
that is selfish. Yabo, like the more cooler, the more understand. But okay, I'm the way right kakunje, the way right kakunje. Yabo mna mo, I can please mna more than like we. But like eqaleni bone, bensenzela nje phela sonwabe, ba hamba ngichami. Then she and ke ngoku sasigcwele endlini amajita like yonke le yenzeka like sihleli amajita.
Imanjani?
Bethi ne1 bra noba sesiba yi4 dog.
Oji.
Nah. Ngumuntu.
Eh, kaloku that's a Oji.
Oji
Unomntu wakhe.
Okay,
girls,
gangbang
four
leyo. Yeah, Oji nyanisile yeah. Yayila we.
Gangbang.
Yayila we.
Umdala yani.
And what age was that?
You are bras mesiyekeni by age.
Why?
Yes,
I'm
Selena.
ndiqelile mos.
You are ayekeni age.
Ithethe vele
Since
manje.
phone but like
Poppy Hayes.
yeah,
Xesha le-Poppy Hayes.
Poppy.
even like Poppy Hayes bras yo ngxaki.
Wangutata.
Dandilinda yebo ba imedi the mhlawumbe ngumama ndoba ngitata bayithe kumakazi siba ngumalume khona mosimidi
So ukhangela lo wena umfunayo, so uzolandelela lo
ekhona
umfunayo.
imedi contractweni yona ndalinda yena mnana lo okay yo okay nayazi bo okay bawuthela mnana ngizothi nami so yayilawi but dala fethu bras kudasa kulewi hence why ezinye bezibhora
I think we, as populous chats, we don't encourage abantwana abadlala iPoppy Hayes anymore.
Yeah, no, yeke
Especially
now.
when there's a
It doesn't go
film.
anywhere.
ayisadlala
man.
bras
Hey,
abantwana bangoku zifoni
how was your first time?
Nah, my first time was when I was 8. And in the science I Kumla cleared because it was my neighbor.
8
Eight.
years.
8 to 9 years old.
Yima,
And
was there
then
consent?
Kana 8 and 9
What?
is a ratio. Like
Kaloku
it's in
Nabuzo
the-
was the consent.
But like can't be that is intimate show but but like you actually like can do something.
At the age of 8.
yo Sean
Yeah, I've got a question, eh?
Yeah.
So you are 8, and then like, like, how do you do it? Nayakadlisha okanye are you penetrating this?
Like basically lost in walk because it was just like and yeah man, but it was a weird experience.
Sean
Mm.
Sean sikhona isiciko ukhona ufetcha
Yeah, I think they fetch, man.
Not
Kaloku
much
fetch.
about like interaction na 8 and then go to
So you
officially
were not
do it.
in like Zange or
Zange like that and then to officially do it to I think 14 15.
oh, so same ages.
same age
Yeah,
same age,
so how
same
would
age.
like 7 land walk?
Aloko when utba like uqale una like 15 to actually ubambe made.
uSean uthetha ngamava bras lapha amava mina ndiqala ndimncinci utsho uSean ndimva right yamva uSean
But guys, I've got a
Sean.
question.
Yeah,
I've
for
got a
sure.
question, because obviously, Gobes Kolatina, you are saying when I'm 15, and then you are also saying you don't disclose the age. I've also had my own experience as well. But we then think, okay, generation Ikoyo, these kids are being exposed with sex at a very young age, because andithi sikhule singafundiswa that
Sure.
okay, this is how you should be able to faka a condom and ifaka kanje, and then this is you are supposed to ask for consent first
Yeah.
before you have sex with that person. Okanye, do you think since late generation sibona ngama 2K are very wild?
They're very open.
So they
Yeah.
are very open about this. Do you feel like bana ba more advanced into knowing how okanye mhlambi first times zabo are much more better than ours since we didn't know much.
I feel like now we are in a generation of TikTok, a lot of technology that is
Yeah, I feel like they too exposed to a lot of information. yabo.
Pornography, for instance.
Exactly, yabo. And so they see a lot of things that are sexualized on social media also. Yabo.
Yeah.
So for example,
Like OnlyFans.
umntana, let's say that's in high school in grade 11 or 10, uza-installa gqephe njengawo, fake lashes, yonke la way,
Face
yabo.
beat,
Face beats and everything like that.
Yeah.
So ke ngoku, what does that insinuate ke ngoku?
But you can't say just because befaka eyelashes.
I'm not saying but
No
they're
films
acting.
again.
and then automatically
I'm
they
not saying
are
because of
sexually
ezo
ready.
zinto ne, but since you like how izinto like are viewed, yeah, but like how people view them, yeah, but this is about okay. Sometimes like we grew up in communities where people still are not educated. Engaske, a child should be a child. I mean a childhood, yeah, but and go through that childhood. A girl should be a girl. A boy should be a boy. But now you find yourself in spaces where everyone feels the need to be ahead of their age.
Yeah.
Yeah, but and act out of the age, yeah, but for example, like I'd say even besides in the sex, I'd say like for example, getting a job early, feeling pressure about
Yeah, like, I need to
I
make
need
money
to make
now,
the bag.
bro.
But yo, dog,
Chase
you
my
actually need to
dreams.
study. You need to go to school.
But
and
kaloku
look
nalapho
what
iya-
people
iya-
doing.
share- I hear what you're saying,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
you know, it also differs because where you feel the pressure, you need to work because guys, we can't really as long as we ibaleka lon economic remote pressure
Yeah,
is
it's crazy.
up on our necks right now. And then umntana uzot bana okay, as much as I want to go to school, but ekhaya kulalo ngatyiwanga sonke. But
Yeah.
I know that I can go and ndiyofumana umsebenzi or whatever
Yeah.
that I need to do to be able to bring the bread in lean. So this sometimes
Also,
it depends.
Like I think this generation I find yabo like utina put the bread etafleni. Abantwana bango baspanela bona dog. They doing
Yeah,
this for
put the
themselves.
bread on
Like
mine.
for
Exactly.
myself. Like we funeka kuthethwe ngayo leyo ngoku.
For example, would you think that some girls would provide endlini with the girlfriend allowances zabo kanye? They would just keep it for born.
Basigibela for bona kalo.
That concept of girlfriend allowance, I really
But
don't
kaloku it
understand.
depends. If
I
you're
don't
giving me,
understand
if
it
you
as
are
well,
giving, for instance, the girl, a 500, for instance, on fan,
Yeah.
and then I'm
Monthly?
bigger 500 monthly, ne?
Yo, I ain't man.
Like since it's all in this, umnika.
I
But
was
kaloku-
like 500.
kaloku
Coming back to
mhlawumbi umnika
more-
lo 500, for instance, I'm just
Yeah.
making an example. Umnika lo 500, lo 500 nale anayo. Uzoqomba okay, hayi man, I just need to do my hair and do because kaloku funeka naye abe mhle, funeka abe clean. Awuzufuna nawe ne-cherry frats.
Sure.
You understand?
Frats oko, ngibe
So
clear.
frats oko, but ke ngoku the more money there is, the more they can be able to provide. Mhlawumbi they've got younger siblings. Uzoqomba hayi bo umntana sekhaya akanahlangisa isikolo, then I can be able to help out. But ke ngoku the question is ingabe uyayifumana na i-girlfriend's allowance?
The thing is, I actually searched it on the internet, on Google. I think it was Phakathi Veki, I searched it and I was like, what's the
Origin.
like not the origin, but what's the thread line like mhlambi iqala from imali up until
Yeah,
imali,
girlfriend
yabo.
allowance.
And they said it starts from 2.5
Key.
to 10,000, and that's the minimum.
That's
That's the minimum.
Starter pay.
Sauce.
That's crazy.
But kaloku,
Sauce.
I also to upaya, for instance, you're getting you have a job, you're a guy, you're in a relationship, you get 5,000, 3,500
Yeah.
per month is salary. I'm not gonna expect you to give me 2.5.
Facts.
You understand? I'm not going to understand, but it also depends on how genuinely do you love that person to be able to understand. Yes, back on girls that are going to be able to force. But I want to go, I want to do this, I want to buy a weave, I want to do all of that. But again, it also comes from, I feel like, ucherry ejola nalo mfana iyamcingela na, but iphinde nomfana is it uyayicingela icherry yakhe na.
Oh, yeah,
It's
yeah.
more like
But,
50-50.
wait,
Because also kwazi ujola necherry frats, ufike ngeko frats mos.
Wafike ecingela icherry. Okay.
Bapha abazali bakhe.
Eyami icherry
Hayibo.
ecingela.
Vele siyezapho, siyezapho nje, yami.
Eyami icherry izangicingela emotional nafuneka icingele financial.
And then also,
Khona.
and also why the way izathethwa as if ingumfuyo bakufikelela isibonile sifaka uma kwenzela akhula abe mhle and then build her up to the point. Ba, like,
Uthi ngumfuyo.
I don't want to look ngoku it's like you're having a pet. I feel like it
a
goes
pet.
well. I don't
No.
like
imizekelo yakho
Perspective yayo. Yayivalithetha 51.
Not a pet though, not a
No,
pet.
and then like it's like bona baziphepha and but like
It's like-
idea of like having to build it like feels like you're growing a pet and anyway and now you just
I feel like
I think change the word
please
pet.
change.
okay
Pet.
manihlambi
Umntana.
ibuild umntana ya ngumntana usana proper wethu because umntana yamkhulisa umthela yonke into akhula nenxa se-up there mhlawumbi akushiye.
But kaloku iphinde futhi ne, as much as bana you say bana feel like bana it's a duty that you have to do monthly, but you're gonna have a girlfriend, you guys are there for each other, niyajola and stuff like that. But you uzofila njani mfutshana yakho xa izothi gqi every month inentloko entsha but wena akho mali omnikayo?
Ingxakabani leyo.
Kalo like mhlawumbi
understand?
uyaphanda me
Like for
I'll be
instance,
happy because-
akaphangeli.
guys i-girlfriend
Akaphangeli.
allowance mhlawumbi ndim understand i-girlfriend allowance like are you giving it monthly?
do you like sign a contract before
Like
you
No,
Yeah.
you're not gonna sign a contract, but ke ngoku obviously umuntu wakho uyamcingela and
That's the thing.
uyanikela
That's-
must be.
Ima,
It's different.
phela uyayikhupha wena i-girlfriend allowance.
not qho bras
But
not qho bras
but at least ukhona ikhuphayo so that umuntu akazokunderstanda xa
Mamela, guys.
ungenayo.
Ubhele.
Grand
There's like a bond, I think
yeah
so.
no ka grand wena bra like yabo allowance like okay no ndimhle ngoklenyanga yabo
Wenyangisa manixwebe.
ina kwezinye inyanga uyasibana kanye ubhizi lo ubhizi unabazali egqibeleni like come on
Phela
ayingumsebenzi wami awungumfazi wami egqibeleni xa ungumfazi wami
Wow,
it can
okay.
be different ke ngoku ba okay niyazi ba ufro funeke afumane into zakhe
Pele, can I ask you a question?
Awethu.
Like, why Kaza Tengino that's maybe, let's say, above 1K? Like, also pay life for permission.
no man it's communication skill
Uyayenza umtshela.
mamela andiyenzi mamelana boshone hey fethu
It's on the vlog, bro.
no
I can't lie.
mamela ayiceli for
There's proof.
mamela
Actually, there's proof, Mshonizi.
ndiringa nomethi ba okay John cinga ukwenza le way sizayenza egqibeleni noba
Xa
yethe
ufuna
hayi
like umuntu ozakubheka.
communication ayibe involved ebomini bami noba ndikho ba okay
But ke
no,
ngoku
man.
iphinde futhi it comes back to you are saying this person ayingomfazi wakho egqibeleni, you don't want to give them a girlfriend allowance.
I'm not saying I don't
You
want
don't feel like obligated that you need to give
Yeah.
them, yes, which as I understand, but at the same sentence awuboni future nalo mntu, because if you're going to be able to do that with umfazi wakho, because you need to date first with that person
If future
and
yami
then
imali yami.
umtshate at some point. So obviously ibizoba into obuhleli udla ngoyenza from girlfriend stage up until ude uchate.
So would you
For
say
marriage.
girlfriend
Vele,
allowance is
ayikwenza
part
vele.
of the act of love?
Not part of love, but
a love
gesture oyinikeza umuntu wakho.
Not ngemali.
Kaloku nam xa icherry ne
It feels
inemali
forced, man.
izokuthengela mhlambi lo caps, ikuthengele eso skipa, ikuthengele lo.
xa
You understand?
inemali
Xa enemali.
Nam
ne?
xa ndinemali.
Ba kaloku le nto nditsho bana mayingacaba akukho girlfriend allowance ekhoyo apha endlini. Ewe if uyanika mhlambi like 2 months in a row and the third month baby anamali, okay,
Yeah.
it's fine because I know but it's something that you do. Hence I was saying bana it needs to be ibicherry mhlambi understandayo okanye person that you dating ingabe uyacingela na.
yazi le nto yaphi eye ku-black tax
Yeah.
qoqoqo yabo jonga uba umzali wakho
Family
uzomane umnika
schools.
i-1,000 ngenyanga laa mali usifuna ulate uzofuna oko uzoyifuna oko so funeke wena xa unayo into xa ndinayo ndiza kunika xa ndingenayo andizukunika andizucacisa uzobona ngawe wena seyingavini uyayibona xa ingena andizucacisa yeyam le mali
Ba ufuna ukwenza inhloko.
My heart, bro.
uyandicela ke ngokuba okay no poison no man
But bakhona abantu abangakwazi ukucela, guys, we need to be honest
The
about it.
fact-
Bakhona amatshela
Mamela,
abangazukwazi ukucela,
mamela.
umuntu ozothula,
Ithi loo nto ingxaki
umuntu
kuthi.
angazukwazi ukucela.
idloo nto ingxaki kuthi soyi-2 uba sicommunicate umntu wakho funeka ube yi-safe space uba baby ndisengxakini sekonini cela undincede awuzukuthi hayi andikwazi ucela funeka ndivumise ngondikubona uba yintoni oyifunayo
But I feel like bana we are on the same sibuthetha into A1 but we are saying it differently.
Sibu.
Yes, sibuthetha into A1.
Also, for me, don't you feel like, say, in a way, even in their girlfriend allowance or a girl being too dependent on a guy, it could lead them to being abused in some sort of way?
Type shit.
type shit
Yes, it can, but ke ngoku as much where it can. Yes,
'Cause I mean-
I can because that is
Because now
obviously
you're
gonna feel
being
entitled
vulnerable.
now.
Yeah.
Into
That's the thing,
a
the
life in a
entitlement.
wheelchair. You understand? He's gonna feel some sort of entitlement.
Control
But ke ngoku,
over
it
you.
does not mean my girlfriend allowance should be only for girls that are not working. But ikhona now that are successful in whatever that they do. And then ke ngoku now they still expecting, but imandi imali umfana, guys.
I think
That's
Ndiyava uba
Imandi imali umfana.
uyazama uyenza better le, but it doesn't get there. And also enye into that like triggers me ngale convo, it's like, isn't it supposed to be like a 50-50 thing?
Benchilo.
If mhlawumbi like Uyon is dating like a lawyer and then yena usipana masihlambe e-sports scene, is he expecting a boyfriend allowance? Kuba like made it and I'm okay, the girls is still expecting by imali easy every month.
But this is the guy as there is guys that are getting boyfriend allowances.
Also, it is also a thing, boyfriend allowance.
Yes, there is. But ke depend ba umfana ne pride kangana, but bakhona abantu abanika abafana babe imali.
No man.
Go to
I
eBay
just feel like
when you're
should be
gonna
50-50.
see.
Hey, where's the
Go to eBay and then you're gonna see what I'm talking.
You've never got a boyfriend allowance?
Nah, bro. I've always been either independent or giving back.
So if your girlfriend would offer you a boyfriend allowance, would you take it?
Definitely, especially about like the album. Nah, man.
Guys, imali conversation like iyathethwa xa nijola kanye iveske izenzekele.
It just happens apparently. If you can't kind of like contract, and then they were like, nah.
But bakhona abantu aba straightforward xa ba umuntu okheke mina xa njolayo I would expect this. Bakhona abantu abakhoyo abanjalo.
I think that's dope.
Bakhona
Yeah.
abantu abanjalo, but bakhona abantu that are not going to expect it. I'm not saying bana not bonga abafana bayikhupha because bakhona bayikhuphayo obviously girlfriend allowance and abacela abafuna nocelwa, they are just doing it willingly. But ke ngoku yeah,
Imogu, let us talk about clubs because apparently they are like abantu that go to clubs.
Yeah, man. Now, do
expecting.
you know, I think if no copy girlfriend allowance, they can be a trader or some shit like that.
Yeah, forex trader.
Yeah, boy, Pocket Broker. I saw something on Pocket Broker, like it said they had tournaments where you get to play, yeah, boy. Except, let me tell you why trading on Pocket Broker is fun. Step 1. There are tournaments and competitions. Join regular trading tournaments where you can compete with others for prizes and leaderboard rankings. This is an opportunity to win real money with no risk and experience the excitement of trading alongside with other participants. So this is how it works. Users take part in a paid or free tournaments where the goal is to achieve the best trading results within a limited time. Winners share the prize pool.
Step 2. Gamification features include badges, levels, quests, and also achievements. Rewards that motivate you and me to hit milestones and try new strategies. Rather than just stare at the charts. How it works, earned through trading achievements, participation in mining, and lotteries. It can be spent in the marketplace or sold.
Step 3. Platform customization. Personalize your trading workspace, rearrange charts, set favorite indicators, and choose themes so it feels like your dashboard, not a default screen you've seen 1,000 times.
Step number 4, community and social interaction. Learn and chat with others, especially the high earners. Engage with a broader community of traders. Share ideas, celebrate wins, discuss strategies, and cheer each other up. Trading with others feels more social than solitary.
Step 5. Set mini goals and challenges. Turn sessions into missions. Step 1 and Step 5. Find 3 setups that follow the trend. Step 2. Try 1 new indicator. Step 3. Beat last week's accuracy. Gamify your routine, man. And lastly, make sure you note all these features make trading more engaging. But markets carry risk and aren't guaranteed profit. Use tools responsibly and pace yourself.
Get 100% of your first deposit by using our promo code POPAFRICA. Register via the website pocket-broker.com and learn how to trade yourself.
There's a club no need.
Yeah, like in a way of like, if you go into a club, there are some people that are expecting some sort of girlfriend allowance, compensation in a way, a club
for them going to the club.
Yeah.
Okanye xa befika clubbing and then they say, guys,
they like no, but like because I bought it definitely it automatically. in Orlando, like it like kind of goes to my point of like nightlife in general.
About the club scene is
But
kind of
Kalo-
different.
Yeah.
Yeah,
it
but
is
because-
different, but
Siyobereka pha.
kuyasetyenzwa a girl got to do what a girl got to do.
Just bar the
Wonke
club
ba?
games, bro. Night shift.
I think
Nah, like
I wouldn't say no.
not wrong.
okay, how would you compare the Cape Town nightlife with the other provinces like Ochozi, Durban? Would you say it's the same or what?
It's beat.
Cape Town.
It's beat.
Nightlife is beaten. Yeah.
There is something Eastern Cape basically it's evolving.
Yeah,
You're
especially
getting a lot
plan-
of indawo eziright.
Hlambe bhayi.
Ebhayi ayibhayi kaloku singathi lokish
I think but I think Gqeberha is late now because I mean there's a lot of establishments now at town, yabo, that are carried by Ilanduka, Abanabaluka, and then in Cape Town, it's mostly the Nigerian boys that that carry the nightlife and town. Yeah, bro. So I think Cape Town is the only exception where it's the only exception where like in nightlife is like controlled by them.
Yeah.
Because like if you can see any other club in town,
Saints when
Come on.
So are you guys saying I should be a worried guy? Sister, I'm clubs at night.
Yes and no. Like if we're now you like trust her, but okay, sure, she like just there to have fun. But I want to go there, baby, yeah, but disospana tonight. Go to couple of 10K person, yeah.
How do you get that money, dog?
But what if we ask, because obviously as
Come
much
on,
as my sister Yako, maybe there's things angafuna ukuxelela zona. You never
Yo,
know.
but also
You understand?
Pethu,
You never know. Mhlambi uyasebenza pha kwama-nature zakhe.
but also let's not shy away from the fact that it's fun in Cape Town.
It's fun.
No matter where you are, bro.
It's fun in Cape
It's
Town.
fun. You go to Rands, you go to a Populous, you go to there's a lot of places where you can go to, and then also like compared to other places, where Jersey, it's a wide spread of events that you get to go to.
Nkulu.
I think it offers more variety, Joburg, more than in Cape Town.
And like also Jozi, everything is bigger in Jozi, like in terms of the clubs.
And
The boy
actually,
drama
you were there,
Nkulu.
Landuka, last week or the week before.
Yeah, like last time we came in.
How was it that side?
Kinda like-
Nightlife, papa?
Kange Sikwas, we had 2 clubs, whatever, but we were doing house parties. And like, like it shows is quick, like in terms of like people come. Even time you
Pulling up.
post about like you and their host part, people show up. Like
But-
Abano always tapped in. You know.
Okay, I just quickly want to ask because I want to relate this to something else as well because
Yeah.
I feel like as much as obviously it falls part of the entertainment, but entertainment, yes, it shows the media side. It shows majority.
Yeah.
ne? So I feel like that's where things are. In Cape Town, yes,
Happen.
it's getting there.
Yeah, it has a different culture.
Yeah, it is a different culture compared to Joburg because if
Yeah.
entertainment, media, I feel like that's more Josie.
Yeah.
Facts.
And then ke ngoku Cape Town, we're slowly getting there.
Yeah, in Tina, we are like more focused on the fun side as you want like the business
The
side.
business side. Yeah.
So when you were there, you saw like Ilan
I
Road.
saw, bro, like everything is quick, man. Like you only everything is just
too
happening.
much motion happening.
Yeah, everything is happening. If lam ucinga into ethile uthile ngayo context same time ingenzeka.
Because I saw you were even with Ula Wezuvusino.
Vusinova, yabona naye
How was
like
that?
sicalelwe like I think like the night before, but okay, so we like pulling over to like his house to like stream or like
Nice.
chill. So like, okay, cool. And then saya xa sifika phana we just sasela kancinci. And then Vus just posted about like he's like having like a sit-in. Within 2 hours imoto bezigcwele phandle. I was like, this nigga is influential.
But I share mhlawumbe ubani vetho post leyo kanye nabanana no poster.
Yeah, but like lando ba like on like a random Sunday,
Away,
abantu are
away.
just all there.
And when you didn't even know his songs. Ubuhle balenzwakazi, ubuhle balenjakazi.
Come on, Sean.
Ngicanyani itsho but I wanna lie. I
Come
swear.
on, bro.
Oko like ndicinga ba hama like ithile ngoma. Xa ngokumbothi bethi video ndiyayicinga ba like na. Xa ngokumla ndiva unjakazi. Ukuba lo masilano ba like uzomthanda umuntu cha like you like
Umthanda
hate
njenge-
them. Yeah, like he love and hate, but njakazi ndiyakuthanda. Like mabengicela like into enje, I swear deep of it.
Hayi bo, jakazi.
Like bengicela weba like umhle like but you piss me off.
Ijakazi, God.
Hayi bo.
Yeah, boy.
But ke ngokwezi parties zakhe is he predominantly playing umculo wakhe?
No,
You
no,
have to
no.
listen to his music okanye it
Actually-
just plays randomly.
Actually, Vusinov is actually cool. Like one thing about him, he will listen to every song that we play him, even he Cape Town
Yeah, I
Cats.
even saw on the vlog also.
Yeah, Sikhalise Machasa, Sikhalise, like every Cape Town artist that we tapped in, like Kosa Wave, and he even offered to like do like a TikTok with us. Yeah?
Oh,
Like,
that's
Kosa Wave.
nice.
So he's like tapped in, and Mumdu that understands Mumdu changes and like evolves, and then we like ask him to like play his songs because like we. Basically, at the end of the day, so we're just trying to see him sing, and now he played us his
Unreleased.
unreleased
Yeah.
songs.
Oh, that's not, so you guys got to experience that.
We actually got
Oh,
to
what an
experience.
experience.
Like when I was a lunga pa, I swear, bro.
Okay, mano.
Like yabona phandle pool house kuko ibar and it never runs out. Uthi nje ukhupha upya
So, you wanna
fill
never
up
know.
the same
So
time.
benza kaloku ngapha lapha.
I was on
Kuba
mine,
kukhona.
yeah.
Bawukwepa.
I know like it's like a vibe, like the culture, bro.
Actually, speaking of Ilaways, go besita na clubs. Do you think it's say if you would go to like let's say to a club or to any specifically a club, would it affect the image yakho or ingaja?
Nah. Yazi ingxaki yintoni abantu nabo bangathini ngama andibahoyanga mna.
It doesn't contradict the image.
Club
leya,
jams.
yeah.
Because ekugqibeleni ndiyazazi mna. Yabo. But ayidona funeke ndibe phaa qoqoqo ithi bekani okay awubhele waziwa ngeclubs. Because zanga nayo iclub yinto kumna.
Cause I'm like, yabo, ingxaki yabo. I think the reason why I ask is because yabo, like how you dress,
Awe.
it plays a specific role, yabo, kwi culture yabe Xhosa,
Yeah.
especially
Important
ebudodeni,
or-
yabo. So if mhlawumbe say like you would be seeing kwi spaces where abantu abanxiba that certain way, like for example amakwala afuneka angabonise group.
Yawe.
But if you would dress ola hlobo, then wouldn't it be like a wrong representation towards Lalawezi?
Okay, Ted.
Ndiyayithanda.
Like I'm really curious because I think also yabo nami ezumsuthu yabo.
Yeah.
I don't think like I say I would go to groove with the Solangalam.
Yeah.
I
bro.
definitely be laughing.
Besides ubile yabo, it represents a lot
Ayivumi,
yabo,
yeah,
and
ayivumi.
ayivumelekanga mna from kelami icala yabo. So hence why like I'm really curious about icala kaphela.
Away, dog. I think to a certain point, man, it would ne bena la wiba bele. Come on, besingelindelanga kulo we and nonyana abanjongileyo like young boys
You are
looking at me.
these were my lord.
Yeah, bo. So a point ngakhona la Chinese but nami spaces nje kum ndiyazonqena yabo like I think nenza yethe kanye no andithanda ba
Clubs.
yeah like you
Yeah,
understand ndiyazoyi and imimoya bra yo ingaveski ngivukele lidlozi ndibha yeah was away.
Like are you a spiritual person?
I think so because like yabo xa ndikwindawo yabantu abaninzi ndindwebile ne but xa ndikwindawo yabantu abaninzi like ndiveske ndibe down.
Oh, feel different energy.
Different energies, funeka ngiqale maneuver around that thing.
But also I want to ask Glendo ye attire uthetha ngayo ne. Do you then feel like bana since such a nightclub and how you dress and all of that, but is it also not going to have an impact on how you express yourself? Because somehow you need to fully express how you feel, how you dress, because sometimes how we dress is how we feel. But why should it then be a problem you going to a club just because you understand? Yes, I understand, but now, okay, there's a cultural thing that's tied to it because of mhlambi on how you dress, or inner representation, etile. But is it fair to that also has the same sense of style that you have to not to go to a club just because woyika bana kuzotwa or represent mhlambi I culture yabe Xhosa in a certain way okanye wrong?
I think you know apho beye apho kufele khona ithole emakrwaleni ikrwala lifuneki phaa I think bethethela
Yes.
loo nto that's the thing.
Ikrwala
And like,
generally liyahamba ngekrwala.
ayifuneki
Akho
phaa
need, yeah.
so akho need liye phaa mna mntu urepresent amakrwala yabo ubuza loo nto uba eyi izawuba njani ke ngoku loo nto xa ufatere nikwazi uyenza yena lana but thina sikwazi
But awuloo krwala
But
kaloku
awuloo
ngoku.
krwala, no bras.
Awuloo krwala
I
mos
understand
ngoku.
but umzila ubonwa phi ubonwa phaa uba iye ndiyayenza mna bazothi bayibone kum
But what if it's something that you want to do?
acingile phela.
What if yinto ofuna uyenza
Endifuna
wena
uyenza,
leyo?
manibeke mhlawumbi ayasi phantsi nxibe enye into ke
Mhlawumbi istrarhele.
istrarhele you
Yeah,
know
yeah, yeah.
But are you then gonna feel comfortable because it's not the true representation of ubuwena?
at the end of the day bras benitshilo niyabo noba nxibe njani it's what I feel ngaphakathi
Tashi.
yabo
no.
impahla bras ayizuzide ekugqibeleni zize yabo
Ngendlela zazo.
indlela zazo to
Mamela Sam, with the like speaking on Endo's image, yabo, you did mention that you're an HIV landlord.
Activist.
Like I'm really interested in that, you know. Like how like okay, how did you find out that you wuna landlord? Like
HIV.
you're HIV positive, and then how was that experience and born a young way?
Yo, Sana, very weird.
Yeah.
Actually, it's been 8 years now. This is my 8th year living positively with HIV. So I found out very weird because nan pangela at the stationery store. My man, I'm right. I thought I had pals. Pals. My yeah, and man, ivek yaphela. Uyabo. Went to the clinic. Xa ndifike clinic unesi andihlola ezothi bana man mntanam ngubani okumoshileyo automatically ndiqomba hayibo kwenzeka ntoni njani ba ndingubani lo ndimoshileyo uthetha ngaboni uyabo azobana ngicela ukhapha sekwenye room xa sifika kulaa room it was apho kutestwa khona you understand and then that testwa I was 20 at the time remember ndiphume out kwi-closet I was 18 going to 19 and then 20 years ndifile nenye isigaxa futhi that I need to ba the HIV positive. I just disclosed the year before, and then the next day I found out that I'm positive. So it was not easy. You understand? It was not easy because I didn't tell my family for 4 years. It was a secret that I was living with. The only
Who had
person
the
that
car?
knew it was my two best friends.
That's crazy.
Those are the only two people that I told because that in Puma Panda, okay, let me go to my friend's place because I didn't know what to do. Yes, sometimes we feel like Bana says about HIV corner. We feel like we know much, but once you are in that situation,
Oh yeah.
we feel like, oh my God, is this happening to me? And then now the stigma that goes with it,
the
community.
HIV, yeah.
Okay, when HIV, uzokisi banana, this is ucabangiselwe elangeni. So those are the
Those are
conversations abantu abanazo. There's no positivity that comes out, especially if ukhule elokishini that's tied to HIV. So I was scared. That's
Definitely,
Yika.
yeah.
I'm queer, I'm black, and the HIV positive. And then I'm like, God.
Mungakali.
I didn't.
I don't feel like you know that is like serious, bro. Like,
Obviously ndakhala because I was confused ba ndizothini na because ndicimba life wami uphelile because I didn't have la positive representation that I wanted that I could look up to and be like bana okay ndiyambona lo mntu apha engingqini yethu is live with HIV positive
living
but
positive,
they are living their lives like
Freely.
freely you understand bengenayo laa nto so I had to hide I had to bana okay work on myself because I was like, man, if I'm going to face the world, I need to work on myself first. So I had to work on myself. I had to accept it. Okay, I'm HIV positive. So accept your new reality.
Yeah.
And then after I did that, I found out mama, the HIV positive. And then my mom was like, Bana, okay, if we're HIV positive and you've been living with it for 4 years, which is Bana, you've been doing great. So which is Bana, you've been carrying out. And then as I said, the first born Masekaya, I've got 2 brothers. So it's by 3. So the first born, and then and the brother Bama by 2 and listen, okay. Sekunjalo ke ngoku, you understand because I wanted to create la open conversation to ba nani if you guys go through into ethile life ini
uzokwenza ngehlo.
yeah well you can always come to me and speak to me but it was a journey and then yeah ngoku I am speaking about it on my social media platforms
Because for me, I feel like it's not every day. Okay, from being on social media, but it's not every day where you get people that speak openly about it. Because I think I only know a few, or I only know one, which is Tupac, nguwe namhlanje. I think Sis Nosbele, my
Yes, love her so much.
I love her now
Love her
so
so
much.
much.
And I'm really interested in even reading her books as yabo. So I'm like, is she one of the people that inspired you in becoming Ilandog?
An
The
activist.
Activist, yes, some sort of way, yes, because I was able to ndanibukele ijourney yakhe.
Sure.
I did find some inspiration.
Yeah.
Napha we understand. Yes, it did help me to become lo muntu ndinguye, but
Sure.
as well as obviously she is a woman or
Yeah, so-
you know, uyabo. And then now for me, I'm
You
queer.
Yeah.
And then ke ngoku men sleeping with men, so I need to be able to bring that into space
Yeah.
and being able to say, hey, up on the kulele khona ekhaya manje Stellenbosch, and be like, man, okay, guys, this is me. I'm queer. Like, you can live with HIV.
Yeah.
It's just, man, you shouldn't let it define who
Yeah.
you are.
Accept me for who I am.
Yeah, exactly. And then you repeat the numbers as Stellenbosch of youth that are positive are rising every year. So it was of me to tap into that space to say, bana, sikhruva sonke mos xa silapha elokishini, but
Yeah.
mna ndiyazi ekuseni ndiyavuka nditye i-ARVs zam.
Yeah,
So do the same thing.
Sure.
You understand that you shouldn't let life wakho to become into ongafuni ube just because afuna uthatha treatment yakho.
I feel like even
Was it like
abantu
3 times?
Ntoni?
Was it 3 times a day?
No, only one.
Okay.
Ungqushwana wam kanye ngemini ndi.
I feel like even
Ayifana
it's crazy
kuqala.
that numbers of HIV go up where like we have these, that zoikhusela like condoms, especially the PrEP.
And there's
Nah.
PrEP
It's
as well.
important.
Yeah,
But
really?
it duru na
There's
iko tu.
also PrEP.
The only PrEP you on.
There's PrEP and there's PrEP.
What is PrEP?
So PrEP, it's pre-exposure prophylaxis, which is that's what we know, but it prevents you from getting HIV, right?
100%.
So vice versa. I feel like that's public knowledge. Everyone knows
Yeah.
that. And then there's the PEP, which is something that we don't talk about more often. Okanye information is So PEP, njema PrEP, it's pre-exposure. PEP, it's post-exposure.
Yo.
So should you then be exposed to HIV? Should you sleep with someone? Okanye be sexually with someone ngaloo mini uvuke ngoba so xa sithi kwi-wardrobe yakhe ethroweni nazi ARVs,
Leqa,
you understand?
for PrEP.
Then you can go to a clinic within 72 hours so that they can be able to help you prevent from getting mhlawumbi so khona nje izinto ebezisa apha egazini lakho, then they can prevent it that way, as well as mhlawumbi you have been sexually assaulted or rachiwe, then immediately within 72 hours
PrEP.
then you need to go to a clinic for you to be able to get a PEP. And then kula PEP bazokunikeza a medication that you're going to drink for like 28 days, and then it can help you bana ukwazi uyipreventa ungabi sabi nayo,
And
you
then
understand?
obviously you have to go to
So
the
those are the
RN.
two difference. There's a PrEP, which is pre-exposure, and then a PEP, which is
It's
the
post-exposure.
post-exposure. Should you then be signs about exposed to go, then you can run to the clinic.
But it's not the
Aye.
same ngoku. The best thing that I love about HIV, it's not the same njengaqala. Khumbula kuqala yo sasingazichopha nochopha nawe awuzoba necephe lakho ezazini. Uyayikhumbula kudala injani.
Yeah, like
Yabo thina
Big
ngoku,
Masai was
that's the best thing
crazy.
about art.
You are
Thina
cool.
ngoku we more cool about it, man. Xa unayo akho ngxaki, like it's cool.
Okay.
Kodwa nam ebakutheni banazo icases ezinjalo umntana ubona uphila nayo.
Like ibanjani ngopha?
No bra akho nto dlula uthetha bra kaseqaleni ba no umntana uphila nalento kanje nakanje like yabo it's cool and good ukuthi lamakhangathi yabo singayibalekisi singabi nazo conversations nabanye usaluka
Yeah.
ba bras sawucela ke manje itapha ne niyayazi qho ekseni komane kufika lento inje ayilondo umntakwethu utya into eziphuma ecaleni utya treatment yakhe ngumuntu naye akho nomitheni
I love
and
that.
creator ke ngoku la bond kwaye namntu nayo saluka benayo yabo it was cool dog
Uphi?
ukona Brenda kho baby theni kwakuthetha cha kuthetha kwaseqaleni ba no man siphila nalento inje
And ubalekile uthetha, and then as well as bana the positive, because which is bana we are really moving on the right
yeah.
way. You understand? For us to be able to say bana okay, no saluka ngoba yakwazi accommodate when it comes to bakwazi umuntu utya i-ARVs zakhe, you understand?
sure.
Because I got a call bensano share not long ago ku social media wam sibana ndifumene i-text on a random day ndise-mall, and then ndifumane i-WhatsApp message from this lady abezodlulate bana yosem content yakho incedile because 2025 I almost died because I was in denial. I didn't want to take, you understand, unabantwana and all of that, like wanted to give up basically, because what I would normally do ndithatha ipilisi nditye mna, I would record myself on my TikTok ndisitye yabo. So it like le nto itsho bana we are progressing as much as if we are able to help one person per day okanye per year, then there's the
At least it's one
Yeah,
life
bo.
saved.
Shout out to
One
your
life-
content, man.
So,
Shout out.
how are you, man?
Abama njani ulaweza on TikTok?
So TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Sam Umzingelo.
Uthunyiwe.
Shout out to Sam.
Nah, shout out.
And I also like just to go back to Lando Musaneteta of like wanting to give up on life. It like just makes me think of what happened is all. Or like what we heard is all. And it's like a really touchy conversation that I would like you to like lead if you have any
Khawulide ngokwakho mhlobo wami.
like feel like it, but it's fine, man. So Izolo, we like saw a statement that was posted on social media, grieving one of our legends, talking about his passing and what type of man he was.
Yeah.
And also, it like really touched me, man, because now we're talking entertainment, and it is something that is like he was like the top of the top as entertainment up in Cape Town. So like now, it like just
Also the cause of death I got confirmed.
yeah,
But it's just speculations from Aban.
speculation from our band as
Yeah.
well. But like just that fact of like not being alive anymore. It like it is really touching, Mandichu, in other words.
Yeah, that one kind of hit home, yeah, because I wasn't expecting it. Tapra was an incredible man. Yeah, bro, for the culture, for everything, dog, for what he stood for,
His friends, his family.
his family, yeah, bro, his fiance, his daughter, yeah, bro, us being part of his culture, us being part of his small family or big family, actually, because I feel like wonke umuntu umthatha as a family.
Yeah, like a
Yeah, bro,
brother.
so yeah, like silahlekile kakhulu. Yeah, but and I would like to extend my condolences to the family, the friends, colleagues, and everyone who lahlekile ngutaprava. Yeah, but it's a huge loss. For me personally, it's a yeah.
It's a deep one.
Yeah, it's a deep one, dog. It's gonna be tattooed to my heart, and uzakhumbuleka kakhulu.
Kakul.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Did you have any fun memories?
Yo, dog. That bravo ndime like a two, dog.
Yeah.
First stream, yeah, bro. We had the nicest time, but the best part was after stream was a son of the conversation, dog, that we had, yeah, bro. Like yona profound moment and yona moment I grand ta bravo. Xa ndiphinde ndidibana naye, uyabo silaha loo nto ngoba yazi benefit ungena mntu ndihleli naye kayi-one but like ndikhumbula oko because of your energy. Uyabo like sabe sincokola loo nto, uyabo one advisor kuway kulaa show yakhe like uzongena
Spring
istage
experience.
yeah, like uzongena istage but yabo unike ixesha to like advise me on how to do things and how to move, yabo wabe sithi na bele like we should meet kakhulu oko bros because like the energy was there. So yo dog ngoku ndiva yonke le way like ke mna ndingumntu ozilayo yabo ndiye ndiyeke yonke iway
Yeah.
khe ndayichophela phantsi wekata bravo like ibone kusebuhlungu nangoku dog yabo.
Yeah.
What a legend, dog, what a legend.
Wena uve uphi
Izolo, I was on my way to come to Cape Town because I needed to attend something, and then I was like on social media. I think we started posting Uzuki. And then I was like, oh my God, you understand? Because not long ago, I just met this guy. I didn't know him personally, but I was shooting in Cape Town CBD. I was with a group of friends while we were busy shooting. I'm like, well, oh, okay, here's this guy because I follow him.
Yeah,
So
on
when
social.
him follow each other. So it was just weird. I 6 January.
Yeah.
Go, you understand? So it is a sad one, definitely, and wonke umuntu is heartbroken, especially that he was obviously standing for entertainment.
Yeah,
That's a
yeah,
Cape
yeah.
Town, you understand? So it is a sad one. it hits home.
And yazi
Definitely.
anyway esaid kum kakhulu is that bona benizibona kuta Bravo like energy yam ngiyabo like energy kaBhele like bona ba okay xa ikhona yabo kuyacaca
I feel like yeah, in most people, it was a reflection of almost wonke umuntu, because you could see even the love that was spread on the social media. Yeah, boy. With now, like as you said, the personal experience. For mna, it was one question. I was like, say, dog. That was it. Yeah, boy. Because he was one person where he said, like, he could pick up the call and just call you randomly. And then, as you said, he would match energy. I remember this other time, and phone a cyclist, like a wine cake, like a cyclist. And I'm like, browse was remote. My God, brag, sell like he was that kind of like if the phone teta leeway, afunu even walk. No matter no say like he was gonna call.
Gonna make sure.
Yeah, but I think the last time like when in phone, I was like when I wished him a happy New Year's. Like say, I was like, say yo, like we need to link up when I'm back. But our pay is viable. So I thought like we're gonna do it. But yeah, man. But yeah, shout out to Uta Bravo and thank you for everything, yeah, boy.
Thank you for the culture, man.
Everything that you've done, everything that you've said. I think the Titila Wonge that's in Cape Town and in the culture, nationwide, yeah, boy. Wide, not wild, wide. That yo, we're gonna keep on carrying your legacy, yeah, and we're gonna take it as far as we can. Because I know you're a person that believed that whatever we're doing now, we need to pass the baton, yeah, bro. So now you've passed the baton good. So it's time for us to take it higher. So and may your soul rest in peace.
Appreciate it. So now I want us to discuss this Mapore and not a thing, because he antique now. And he like lap.
No, man, I feel like it's a matter of, so in reference if an guy has about what
Let's give us context.
So Unota went on a podcast and he said, like, say, oh, my police, they are way down now doing local events or getting
Festivals.
local gigs, like Kubenjalo, Kupiano Hub, so now they should be focusing on doing festivals, like international festivals, or even not international per se, but if like a big festival, Yamapiano, they should be the ones
of it.
hosting
Headlining,
headlining, not even headlining, hosting it.
Yeah.
So that they can Bubashi space for the upcoming artists in the piano space.
Definitely.
So Pori, but Upori, I think he probably watched watched one clip, but he didn't hear what Nota said. So Pori was like, say, Onota, but they think that piano is like hip hop, but it's not the same as hip hop. They've done shows in London where they filled up like 8,000 people. They filled up in New York 4,000.
But they were booked, bro.
They were hosting Scorpion Kings.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. So I think Nota like had the expectation of bigger numbers.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but yeah, like you went on a rant. Like it was like, oh.
And I mean,
and Opore, I feel like Opore like ifana na phina bras yabo ubukela clip encinci ungayazi ba yonke le isukela phi ingxaki ingozi bra
because context
yeah and then ubona
Without hearing
sohlasele
into bayithini na. But iphinde futhi I don't think bana mhlambi as you say bana funeka bavulele ispace for the upcoming and young artists or creatives as well. That's a bad thing if we mamele yonke, because we need to evolve. Singabantu, you understand that?
change,
We create a
switch it up.
space for abanye abantu so that they can be able to come in and fill it up while we are also moving. So I don't think that's a bad thing though. If yena umntu can take it ngalendlela a positive and not trying to be negative.
For me, I feel like the
about it.
table is big enough for all of us to eat.
Exactly.
So it's just up to whoever, wins and one.
It's actually a compliment, yes, going on festival and going on bigger stages. And then
It
usually
is, bro.
it is some sort of a compliment.
Yeah, bro. So, because, I mean, at the end of the day, it's his bread and butter now. Like, and at the end of the day, they are the culture pioneers. They need to make sure the culture is in safe hands. And if you can check now, I mean, they're all like trending songs. They're all good songs out there. But I'm like, like I said, in our culture,
Yeah, because
But guys,
Ipiano
do-
is a big culture.
Guys,
bro.
do you have to go? Like, usaphila mfethu usenayo energy. Do you have to like ubone okay, angumansuku kwesitulo niyekele ubani? Do you must leyo.
But
Because
look,
we
they
as
can
a
always
audio-
work behind the scenes, must, and then while they're focusing on the other ones,
For me, I
and
feel-
bakrume to become the greatest, because obviously bazoshare knowledge,
sport.
yabo, and all of that, and then bona they focus, not saying bana they're gonna completely bawayeka amapiano, but ke ngoku, just to groom.
But also it's
the
like
young
it's
ones.
unfair though. Like it's unfair like, way to people that have worked hard and got where they are and they love what they're doing. They love being on stage.
They love being on stage.
They
They love
love
that.
enjoy
They feel
it,
that.
being like I say, even if basingenzi festivals ezingakanani, there's no crowd like a South African crowd when it comes to amapiano.
Because we
That's
understand
facts.
it more
That's
than
facts.
anyone.
Nobunga happy, okay, there's a Cape Town crowd. But Nobunga happy.
Oh, my pisco.
Yeah. Nah, but have you seen the Cape Town crowd? Nah, they're not responsive as that much. They not. Because I feel like everyone up Cape Town we more. Okay, yeah, we more like sometimes we order farm a
We
lot.
order from a lot, man.
But also
we're
like
not-
we kind of digital born because I feel like sometimes abanye abantu they just prefer being at home watching mixes.
True.
Yabo yonke la way. Or
Some are
some-
hiding behind their phones, but in the car.
Yeah, but I mean like if we could
They're
go
not
to
living fully in the moment.
bruh, if they say let's take off our t-shirts, let's go. Cowbell says like shit.
Tiba nevest. Yeah, tiba nevest.
Nevest ngaphansi.
Have you, speaking of mixes, have you watched the Lanoki Populous mix?
Mix, yeah, and it's
Bruh.
actually fire. I'm not
I
gonna
think,
lie.
I think that's gonna be the biggest thing that we're gonna do as a Populous this year.
On this network.
Yeah, boy.
On
Because
this network.
now we putting yabo wonge umru that was parkla that missed the events. Kila nuke experience esasinayo kudala, and now we're gonna make it like bone wonke umntu like all over uzayibona.
So you're like basically combining all.
So
that
now the thing is
into-
what we have, yabo. We have artists that pull up, yabo. Then like say badlali mixes for like a good hour. We dropped one Izolo, Prince. So
Yeah.
make sure you check it out on our channel. It's below there's a section there, Populous Mix. Make sure to check out Dongino. There's Umzwa. There's international Pantsu. Like there's
Pantsu.
Naledi. There's Hazel Man. Yabo. Soon to be Kayo Michelson. Soon to be Inside.
Soon to
Hey.
Sean.
Soon to be Ban. Yabo. So it's gonna be as a way. But yeah, it's gonna be a vibe. And surely I think we're still gonna have the Sunday course. Yeah, because yabo ngokusala
Lameo kanti-
iyangqibela
Isn't it
international
Pegel?
pantsula bras sibesakhe
So how is the Sunday course? What do you guys do?
Sunday course. We just
yazichaza
it's just a vibe. Get paid.
Games.
It got Jordan's ways of cooking, yabo. So every Sunday we're there, but we haven't hosted
Sigqibele December.
Lonyaka, yabo.
Yeah,
But yeah, surely we're gonna host
This
probably
year.
the end of Ilando. Yeah.
I also specialize in cooking.
Yapheka.
I'm famous for my Sunday course, basically. So I make the
shoot.
Sunday course.
What's your best dish you've ever cooked?
Listen, there's
shy
plenty. Go
poto.
and see.
A
Jack of
shy.
all trades.
yabawa elipheka kunyaka yazi kunyaka ndifuna ufunda upheka bras
Ukwazi
Ufana
ukupheka.
uphekayo, right? Makapheki.
ndifuna upheka
But
you
like
need
njalo
to have
ukwazi
skills.
ukupheka. Njalo ukwazi ukupheka.
nah mina like ngikwazi upheka like
Wenze qani
Yeah.
upheka ngamanzi.
yabona
Kutya kwamanzi.
yazi John like ndifuna upheka ne like
Ukwazi
bona bethe za content lungiselela xa ngumnyeni yabo
So ngonyaka wakho uyazipreparisha lo.
benza iflow
Also, there's a new event coming up on the 1st of Feb
Yeah,
called Imahina.
Mahina,
I'm not sure if you've heard about it.
It's gonna be big.
ndiyayiposta
Niyapost,
ndiyabona
siyapost, uyabona. Have you heard about it?
We like how you share.
Okay, I'm gonna read ne?
Okay.
Mahina. What is Mahina? So Mahina is more than just an event. It's a movement that brings together diverse sounds and cultures. Feel rhythm of the music, connect with the fellow enthusiasts, and immerse yourself in an atmosphere filled with creativity and passion. As if it's long, that means imnandi. Imnandi. Whether you're a music lover, a cultural enthusiast, or simply looking for a fantastic day out, Mahina promises an experience that will resonate with you long after the last note is played.
Thai shit.
Yeah, so on the first, make sure you pull up. I'm going to be there, the host that does the most, on the mic,
Sean is gonna
on
be
the
there.
floor, on the dance floor. So I'm going now.
Go on.
So yeah, I think they're gonna be tickets sold or it's gonna be a free event. But I'm gonna confirm it. But we're gonna
Yeah, we have
keep
to
on announcing
confirm.
it. Just make sure that you check it on my social media platforms, or Populous, or Sean, or Sang, or Sam. Because Sam was on a Sunday.
Bayaza ngengane.
So it's Sunday cause
Have you guys been watching Big Brother?
I have
Not
seen some
really.
clips.
I've
Yeah,
only seen
it's
like a
always
snippet.
Yo, Big Brother ngiyazi kwenzeka ntoni
Ubani
ngopha.
bese iPiff tag.
Ngubani uqala ngo-M uthi gama lakhe ngubani?
Kumeli is it?
Yeah, that bro.
We should go check it
I
I want to see. I want to go check
Okay, like odd question. Mhlawumbe ngabasa lapha singapha.
22.
Zimbini.
Two.
That bro wiped ubuso bakhe ngale epifta phone.
But Big Brother used to do that. There used to be a shower hour and Jenna back in the days.
But the baba
Yeah, but I'm like not by a shower. Like I think about they were having a party and he was just
Bekucula yabo. I think umjida unyukela umoya like waphuma like nobe ilibele ikhamera.
Ba ungazi.
Hey nansi aba la yakhe yajinga futhi.
But yeah, like,
But mina Chomuza
was like,
Chomuza also who is to blame xa kwenzeka lento? Is it Big Brother?
No one is to blame. You signed
camera
consent
guy.
to be there, so
But I don't know, they probably signed my please don't show me nude.
no.
Nah, it's not. Like you say, I mean, you ask about there's cameras everywhere, dog. So anything that you do at any given time, it's either you with a girl, we are bamba, it's gonna be caught on camera.
But look, I think I'm sure obviously they sign something at Kazaba because a privacy is being invaded. So whatever that Big Brother wants to show, you have to obey with the rules. Ungene uyaz ba what might happen there.
Imagine
You understand?
imagine
Because
turning
you
a
never
nine.
know by camera jonge when
Yo,
I
hayi,
get na.
isinto asivume bani yami.
So andikambukeli Big Brother.
Isister zami
it's
ziyambukela
okay.
ne. Xa zithi chill mhlawumbe ngingena phakoma. Okay,
So andinoba ndizazi ne-contest enzazekapha.
does ayikho yi-one
Mina
ngingani.
ngigqibele Big Brother
Yapha.
Angoneliso ba?
Ndiyazi wamjokile. Ndiyazi wamjokile.
No,
But yeah,
dog.
Neliswa Ngata, Ramona Maloy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Shout
So
out to them.
as Cape Town and as Rockers, let's make sure we support them.
Oh yeah.
Don't forget to Ilano.
But,
Ilano, the first transgender.
Okay,
to also be
Ilano,
there.
Shout
Yeah,
out.
also
that was
supporting her.
lit, hey?
Yeah, so it's quite interesting to see the representation and
Yeah.
how Big Brother is being inclusive as well. But it had a bit of a backlash because other people are feeling on social media that Big Brother is teaching abantwana babo izinto ezirong, why
what?
transgender and then all of that. And then to me it's like, man, it doesn't make sense.
Well,
As you
it's
say,
a
Why are
very
kids watching Big
2026.
Brother? Why are kids watching Big Brother?
Brother
Because that's
18
18
plus.
rated.
Exactly. So, because Batman, they
Come
feel like
on.
Big Brother is representing into supposed to be represented because just because there's a trans woman that's in the house, and that's
Well,
wrong.
no, it-
You understand? Because I definitely feel Bana it's more progressing because there's also representation.
Yeah, I mean, like he's becoming more diverse to so many ideologies. Yeah, but because even it's not even a matter of let's say ababantu xa kuthiwa ubafaka ezingqondweni abantwana akabafaka ezingqondweni. But it's just a matter of say be aware
She's
that
living a authentic
khona
life.
bone bakhona abantu
Yeah.
abatrans bakhona abantu abaqueer there's a whole dish of abantu dog and we sonke siyakwazi ukuphila sonke endaweni eyi-one
Exactly.
because I feel like that's the idea yokuba
Yeah.
sonke silapha noba ungayintoni
Race, different race,
Emzulwini.
different genders.
Definitely, bro.
Sean, what do you have for me?
Let us talk about our artists up in Cape Town.
Okay.
Since we're already talking about Big Brother,
Big Brother,
competitors
yeah.
in Cape Town, let's talk
Yeah.
about artists in Cape Town. Have you guys noticed anything strange about Mr. Taylor's aura?
Yeah. And I ask how please.
Cacisa.
Like, yeah, anika vindo, but okay, like based on like him 20, let's say 2021 to 2026.
So are you saying say he's no longer like star or what?
Like, and the alkakated, if you understand what I'm saying.
For me, I mean, like say, if we're gonna put it that way, if we've noticed anything strange, I would say I haven't noticed anything strange
Mm-hmm.
because I mean, for okay, as you said, looking back in the years,
Yeah,
the
comparing.
time like he was pushing it like heavy,
I was gonna say that.
Yeah.
and he had to prove a point. Yeah, bro. But now, like I say, he's no longer like even like a local artist. He's commercial.
He's
bro.
international.
Yeah,
you know.
bro. So, mhlambi if akabonakala ebantwini that much, or he's not making that much noise in the, like let's say emculweni kakhulu, that means like say he's probably so busy, bro.
Excelling on other
And besides
Yeah,
that,
bro,
guys,
working on another album.
i-growth
Yeah, bro.
ikhona emntwini.
I
guys,
call it
yeah.
growth. I fully accept it.
For me, I feel like Ikse is one of the artists where I say like they had so much growth, bro. Again, like within the industry, I like Cape Town.
especially about Osuka Cape Town and like he started everything in Cape
You
Town.
ain't
From
hot
Samoa
Cape
to
Town.
South Korea. Come on.
I feel like some people are like just fearing Kuba, like they feel like they don't relate to him anymore because he has grown.
But you know, you have to evolve. Like guys, people have to evolve because
Yeah.
kaloku he can't be
The same.
akazukwazi ubonakala, for instance, arrange all the time,
Yeah.
mhlawumbi, because he's gonna get booked to go somewhere else, and then mhlawumbi akabonakali ngoku he's busy working on an album. You never know.
Someti-
But people are always gonna have perspectives zabo regarding. But I feel like he's doing well for himself.
Sometimes I feel like Mhlambi he needs to engage with the audience here, okay?
How?
Differently besides umculo.
Umculo.
Like let's say like have like be more like active on TikTok.
Do
or-
lives if you want.
He does do live bomculo, yeah, but like find a way to engage with abantu bakho so that they don't
Okay.
kind of feel as if bathi attached kuwe.
Exactly. Because
but-
no ibalulekile kwi-artist growth.
Don't you think abanye abantu ba-street when it comes to umsebenzi
entitled,
wabo?
ke.
Yeah, like umuntu seyayazi mna sire ngishota le podcast ndiyahamba anizudibana nami
Or
endleleni.
strict bias and by okay, my main focus is just
It's just this,
Cool.
bro.
But
Yeah.
ndicela ukwenza umzekelo.
What do you like
Uzonke uDikani, ne?
Yeah.
So awumboni all the time, but she's a legend. Ne? You don't see her doing lives, you don't see her doing izinto ezininzi, but once abe kuthiwa uzona
Kuthiwa
consent,
yeah.
she sells out.
You and the-
So
about
that's
the
how
whole
it is,
lap,
guys. Indlela engayo.
ngozonke yo hayi I think ikuye lana
Yabo, so ilona nje
Oh,
wena
yeah,
as much as
kodwa
bana
yakhe.
uzothi bana okay makenze lives makabe busy makathintini mhlambi that's not in him. I focus yakwenza umculo
Fair.
and that's how he can be able to interact. Ba uphumile bahamba bedijela kuloo ndawo kulapho ufumana ixesha khona
For me, it'll
nabantu
always
bakhe,
be
you
my
understand?
goat for me.
So
I got
I
young
got,
yo.
yeah, I got.
First time like I ever met him, I glazed him, and he didn't know why because I felt like he was overwhelmed, but I glazed him. So cool. I was like, yo,
But
Mr.
it's
Taylor
great,
from
it's
Mdolo
great.
saved me from metric and saved me from young, you know, in life. Thank you, Sean.
makacike sizo
How my mother's prayer. Ah, ndilibele lo. Like I was shocked, but he like also knows because he was like, I was sure no gonna. Area ndazi pride nenda glazer weso. Yeah, that's glazer weso.
No piece away to it.
Yeah, I put pizza to na minkies as well. Yeah, I do know.
Bukana Zimikis?
We didn't know
Yes,
Cairo
so
last
them
year.
Oh,
We didn't know Cairo.
yeah, but Badu Pizza is releasing a new upcoming
EP.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Kalunya kamoto.
Yo, bruh. Actually, on when was it? I think it was on last week Monday. Yeah, last week Monday. Yeah, they were in studio in Cairo, so that's
so they could do something.
something coming.
They could do
Leak to
something.
leak.
Well, they posted it, Jenna. There's something cooking, and people need to know that.
Ukara no pizza.
Yo, bruh, it's gonna be lit, bro.
Kubana any artist pakla EP if you have any info. After kupela
Tama pizza and kageza, bro.
akakwazi ukuthetha kwangoku.
Yeah, I mean, there's an upcoming album. I mean, EP. But we can't say Ngobani features because
until Zipo.
Yeah, dog. But
And,
come on.
and also Nick and Uyanda, they're also dropping new music. I don't know if you know them, guys. Yo, do you know them songs?
diva ngawe bhuti ngo.
I got tapped in, man. Tapped in.
But one thing about mna yabona mna guys like I'm not tapped in yabo social media bo like
Yeah.
andizazi uyifana ku TikTok bra mna ba into
Uyaphosa zi-trends.
yeah into zesintu uba izinto zesintu like indlela zokwenza imali like I'm not tapped in bra
Yeah,
like
like, people don't even know that, like, say you into poems.
imibongo yeah I
Yeah.
watch poems mamela imibongo like that's me even umculo endimamelayo dog mna like
Ima, do you watch Unenu Skim song?
I don't watch TV, dog.
Oh, Skeem Saam.
Bamekisi TV.
Skeem Saam
Skeem
ngina
Saam
mina.
ngina
Yeah,
kuyani, baby?
time Skeem Saam, feel.
Yeah?
Like everyone watches Skeem Saam.
Not me.
I
Not
don't watch Skeem
everyone.
Saam, bro.
Alimukeli.
We don't watch TV. Hayibo, asibukeli TV.
Yeah.
But do you watch Skeem Saam?
Yeah, I will.
That's cap.
You need to
the
play,
most
you're always outside,
Half
dog.
7. Look.
Also-
Look at
I mean, like, could be, is it true about Gafi signed to a new record label?
My God.
It
Because
is
you were
out
there in
there.
Jozi and Kangela Loka.
Nah, like everyone knows by now because I think his like label also posted like a statement on IG, but we have signed new artists, Gafi and Major. So yeah, he is signed.
Is it a joint contract to Kanye?
Nah, separate. Major Neyake for producing whatever, and then Gafi Neyake for being an artist. So
Shout
I am
out
proud
to
of my boys, man.
So
Like,
Ngoku
it
is
shows
no
Cape
longer in
Town's
Cape
going
Town.
up.
They took his out to Jozi.
Yeah, but Bazamane events we will back and forth.
Also baza bakola cala ngoku.
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
I
But
know
that's why I said
we're
Jozi
gonna tell
ziyenzeka,
you.
izinto ziyenzeka.
But guys, sizama i-trade apha yonke le week. Why
That's
did
the
she
thing.
Kaloku yabona mna I like fully approve the way kubekho i-Jozi because it like brings connection because
Okay.
yabona bukola cala they all want to like see how we do our motion in Cape Town because bayayibona like phana u feel like at home because everyone knows
Okay.
what is happening in Cape Town
So thina sithumele uchasa noMajor masiyibone njalo le way.
in a way
In
like
a way, and then we're gonna be
I
connected by
mean,
then.
why we been sending people though to Jozi?
Away,
We sent to D.
away, bro.
udanile ngoyithethe
I mean, like we've been sending like so many. I mean, at
Kaloku
Jozi.
it's our generation we're gonna do it different bro
Okay, bro.
Hopefully,
Trust the process.
hopefully.
politics ish a bus burned
A bus burned.
abantwana die
A bus
Sean.
didn't burn, bro.
Kaloku like accident
There was a car. I mean, there was a car accident and it had
Bantwana.
15 kids
your
and
favorite
14 passed away.
and like and you know that like unfortunately it pisses me off but it disappoints me on like the driver why would you overtake 4 cars bro
Yeah, that was reckless.
Very reckless.
That's
in the
reckless.
morning menza chiba like andiyazi man it doesn't mean
So le bengxamile nansi ingxaki.
Yeah, man, I feel like like
it's
some
better
taxi
late
drivers
than
are really
sorry.
reckless because I mean, I've heard Ilanduka. Oh, by the way, the case is still ongoing. They postponed the case till the 5th of March. So it says our court. And the driver's only 22 years old.
Imagine. But people have different perspectives. Other people are saying on social media, Bana, that it was a mistake, it was not intentional.
I mean, wow.
But now there's kids involved. Abanye bantu are like, Bana, maka banjwe, like,
Yeah,
maka banjwe, kan babekho
Okay, what do you think? What do you think should happen?
Mna,
What is your take?
obviously he's young, but again, we can't ignore the fact that bana kukho abantwana pa. You understand? So I feel like, mna, in my personal opinion, that bana he should serve ixesha lakhe etrongweni.
I mean, that's going to be life.
Kukho abantwana pa. That's going to be life. Yes,
gonna be
definitely.
life.
He needs to face the consequences. As much as bana, we're going to say bana abanye abantu bana a mistake, but abantwana babantu abazubuya.
For every action, there's a reaction.
and
that's-
also I think he was hungover or something maybe even in between
Bruh, I don't know, but if that was the case, then that's even worse for him.
it's
Because he's
worse.
been charged for, obviously, for murder, for negligence. He's been charged. I think Imoto was also not unregistered. I think Bisemva, Patalini. So there's quite a lot of counts that he's been charged on.
Kumo mna brazi lo like yabona i-cases ezinje brazi sensitive dog
Kakhulu.
like kakhulu like iwe ezipostwayo hence nibongathi nithule like
Fair, true.
family as a family they're going through a lot bro and then like
And
on
they say
social
they're seeing a
media.
lot of that's that's the
Yabo.
most
kukhona ezipictures we-AI like come on
I like
dog.
piss off
Like,
like AI
yabo
I ain't piss
hence
her
why
off, like.
yabo kakunje like vala umlomo wakho mhlawumbe lamzali yabo ufuna ungena ku-social media kayisithi bam
Like all the time.
Awanozile,
So they'll relive the memory all the time.
so abantu feel like abantu abarespect bro yayibo kuxoxwa ngoba uzibani umele nguye naye yabanjwa lo uqhuba itruck nalo uqhuba yabo ezazinto like umthetho mabeke umthetho phaa bras yo like he's sensitive
But
nyani
don't you
lezi.
feel like, Wana, yes, this is very sensitive.
Yeah.
You understand? I'm trying to word it right. So, with social media, as much as Bana is wrong or based on posters as in, don't you think Bana it also has the power to make sure bana le case ihandlishwa ngendlela right, because now if social media ebengekho, not mhlambi probably country ngeyazi le nto, it was going to be into yapha kulanda yenzeke kwi-Gauteng ne, and then now that social media is being posted, not that it's right, but now we are also getting a perspective bana kwenzeke ntoni, and then abantu are able to go in online, ezinye lawyers are able to say bana okay ndizokumela kule nto, so that we can make sure that justice is served. So social media somewhere somehow, yes, it's bad, but it also plays, I feel like, a role
It has its pros
into
and
making
cons,
sure bana
yeah.
justice is served, because the entire country is behind this case.
Bro, like I saw a father
Ngiyaqoqa.
cry, bro.
Yeah, even like public opinion is very dangerous in some cases.
That's the thing.
Yeah, because I hear what you're saying, and I don't disagree. It's a matter of, but people would do anything to make sure that they get more reactions on a post.
It's all
Where
about
there might be
monetization.
AI or
For
whatever.
cloud to, and making sure about your trend.
That's the thing, and that's the dangerous thing, because I mean, at the end of the day, Kenyani, you're gonna post a picture or and write a caption that's not true. How, like, then abantu bazothatha that as the truth. Abantu that can't tell difference between the AI and the picture.
It's sad, but yeah, we're gonna have to see as
Very
the
sad,
as the
bro.
case
It's
goes
sad, but
on.
it's true.
Yeah, so.
But I feel like when he should face the consequences. When was the opinion yam when what do you think should happen to him?
Makabanjwe.
Isigwebo sentamo nesifuni.
Yo.
People bebesitsho, abantu bebesitsho esibazi sekhona.
And your
they
life
should
for a
bring it
life, but
back.
that's like 14 lives.
Oh, but how do you sleep at night knowing
Guys,
that?
I'm
bana-
Nika in Mandela special. You know,
Bruh.
big it, bro.
Also, like with the politics and Did you guys know about Cyril Ramaphosa like raised the
Salary.
salary? Zombe cabinet was of all cabinet members.
When can I teach
I mean,
you?
again, when they 10,000, was it 10,000 when they in the mali packet, but I did not follow through on that story.
But you know,
Zafunde.
on like this specific topic, the Funa Sizo discuss about like, is he awarding them for good service? Okay, is he just
What good
being
service,
friendly?
bro? Have you been
I
to
don't-
Eastern Cape?
I don't
Away, bro.
That's
Have
the
you
last
been
Eastern Cape in
Eastern
Jan.
Cape, dog?
Do you know, like, when I come from Cape Town, and then, like, let's say, when you go N1,
By indlela.
and then you pass, as it Graf Reinet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We pass Graf Reinet. From there, I'm like, fuck, I hate the ANC.
Bambi Road.
Boy, I'm like, fuck, I hate the ANC, dog. Like, nyanyan. Sorry to say, but I'm like, they really don't care about Eastern Cape.
Oh, yeah.
Indlela zikho, bra.
Job, for
zizikolo.
example, deputy ministers, ne, they get, packages will increase from around 2.22 million to 2.30 million
Ah.
salaries.
That's an annual.
But I
Deputy
think,
president from 3.16 to 3.28.
Yeah, aye.
That's a lot.
So now you get the gist of it. Like,
And
it
then
goes on, it goes
the
on.
majority of the times they are not even spending as a salary kubo because kaloku they
The
go
state
bafly
take
for
cares of
free,
them.
benza izinto like
Bruh.
ibhatalelwa ngurhulumente, and then you get
Kuthiwa
imali
uphelile
yakho.
Ramaphosa
Can't it
ukuthi
be
350 ziphelile ne?
bengathiwa
Yeah.
ziyatex abenimali ngathiwa
Yeah,
ziyatex
so noba la mali- noba la mali isuka phaa ingathi 350
Yeah,
ziyaphela.
You are, that would be so vile, bruh.
So ingathi yabo like ndiyadibanisa ngoku. Bendikhe
but ke
naba
ngoku
le-
izoba weird ba ziphele 350, but bona aba bantu that are in a position of power, they are getting increase, then
But I
Kaloku
put-
izawuba
it
so-
doesn't make
Politics yale
sense.
country- politics yale country is too much ngemonti ngoku kwenzeka ntoni
Hence why ngithi EFF
lekamalema
all
yabo utheni ungekho semonti ngoku wena
Kwenza ntoni, Monty? Kwenza ntoni, man?
okay le case kamalema yabo izolo bevela I think yabe kuyizolo bevela
Kubethi umlomo omnandi.
ya ngokathi mlungumani ibonile la wethu ya so I think bevela for la way le sentencing yakhe it was pre-sentencing but ibekwe inca until April I think so phume wonke umntu but that bro ibonile
Emotion.
Hey, man. Yeah, man.
Up on the
Hey,
airport.
I think it's about that time we wrap it up.
So by that time, Funa noyochama.
Yeah.
Yo, Chama. We have an event coming up back to autumn
Yes, sir.
on the 4th of April. So make sure you buy your tickets.
Quite early.
And make sure if it's on Weba, wear Populous merch.
Mark oh danko
You can find it on our website, populousmarket.com. Tracksuit 1.4. Iskipper, as we did last week, 750.
I give that back.
That's all, man.
Bye.
750. And then, yeah.
You kept time money. And so, guys, just go to our website. Trust me, it'll save you a lot of time. It'll save you a lot of memorizing.
You pay 300. That's all, man. But yeah, just make sure if you want to check all the prices and you want to order, place your order at populousmarket.com. Asna, in your website, we don't even have a number that we can use. But if there is a number, then you can check it on our page on Facebook. From me to Sean Crackle.
And also, do not forget to use our pocket broker code Populous
Yeah,
for discounts and other promos.
yeah.
Sean Crackle,
Bele ichiza.
Simon Mzingelwa.
We are out.
see you on the next
See
one.
you on the next one. Let's go.
Pitch me.
Woo!